As we know, if we give high input, means more than 2 by 3 VCC to threshold pin, then we get low output at output pin. And if we give low input, means less than 1 by 3 VCC to trigger pin, then we get high output at output pin. To provide low input to trigger pin, we connect capacitor to trigger pin. For charging and discharging capacitor, we connect capacitor to plus 5 volt resistor and high-low switch. High means plus 5 volt and low means 0 volt. If we switch from high to low, then below on the scope we can see that at trigger input, for a moment voltage goes from 5 volt to 0 volt and then comes back to 5 volt. And if we switch low to high, then voltage goes 5 to 10 volt and then comes back to 5 volt. When voltage at trigger input is between 0 to 1 by 3 VCC, means 1.6 volt, the output goes high and remains high because input at SR flip-flop is 00, that gives same output. Below on the scope we can see if we switch high to low, then output goes high, and if we switch low to high, then output remains high. So now we provide supply to threshold pin so that output comes back to 0 state, stable state. Now if we switch high to low, then below on the scope we can see that output goes high for a moment and then come back to 0 state, stable state. For a moment voltage at threshold pin becomes higher than the 2 by 3 VCC and that makes output low at output pin and remains low. Thank you.